Charlotte, do you love your sissy? Hi, Angel. Are you having fun with your sissy? Be gentle. Don't twist her hands. Why don't you talk to her? Violet P., what is your sissy doing to you? Charlotte, why don't you tell her a story?
One time when there was a big old named Charlotte and a little thing named and then they went to the castle and then the mean dragon came. The mean one came and then they take them and then they floated in the mud. Then they got buried in the mud.
Charlotte, she laughed at you. Tell her another story.
That was all the story that I told her.
Oh, that was it? That's all you know? How about you tell her one more and see if she laughs again? She loved that. Do one more time.
One time the ball went where the little baby named Baby Bone and Charlotte. They lived in the mud, and all of a sudden the mean one came, and then they got married in the mud again.
Be gentle.